viewers. This is 4 p.m. The date is 28/3/2018. A few minutes ago, I just spoke with you, and to continue this video, I found some words. You will use these words to lay your life and to take lives, so that my deputies can give revenge to these broadcasting media people, to these Tripura capital complex chief minister gang people, to the Tripura police station gang people, to the Indian broadcasting media. The words are Salt Depot, Rajasthan. Salt Depot, Rajasthan. So you will find me posting messages mentioning these words after in the evening. You will find me posting these messages mentioning these words in the evening. These words are Salt Depot, Rajasthan. This is to give revenge to the Rajdeep Sardesai gang, the Tripura capital complex chief minister gang, to the Tripura police station gang, to the Indian broadcasting media, to the Sumang Desh, to the Rajdeep Sardesai, etc. Thank you. Please watch my YouTube video and please follow the message I will post on my Facebook this evening. Thank you. I will see you again.